Because customers do not just pay for what they purchase, but they pay for the experience that you make them feel. What's up guys? We're sa Get9 store and today may customer tayo mag-pick up ng orders niya na human-made. Si Sir Jano. So check natin. Tayo natin siyang dumating.
So si Sir Jano ay nag-pre-order. Ito yung sa black. Ganyan siya yung itsura niya. Nandito yung likod. Then yung white naman, ganito lang siya yung front niya. And yung back is yung logo lang ng human. Nakuha ni Sir Jano to for 9,500, right?
Wow!
Very nice. Nakahanap na.
Yeah. It's really hard to get, to be honest. Really hard to source din talaga.
Leather naman.
Yes, that's leather.
Okay.
So okay sa akin yung finish kasi yun eh, compared to the one with mesh eh. Yeah, last year pa siya. Arani for running.
Ito CP din eh. Yung Italia.
Great day po, thank you. Have a great day. Different color na lang yung 8. Do you really like that black one or willing ka to check and try this one? Opo, compare the size na lang. Ito po. Sir, pasensya na sa paper bag kasi naubusan kami ng official paper bag namin. Replacement lang. Oh, balikan nyo na lang, sir. Yung paper bag. Salamat, sir. Have a great day, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat po. Another day, another on cloud. Binili ni sir is on cloud tilt. Cinder sand, size 10.5, di ba, sir? Ay, naka-display namin doon kanina. Nakita ko, ikaw bumili. Thank you, sir. We sold that for how much binigyan ni Jello?
13, discount.
Tinubuan ka pa ng ano, hindi, joke lang din. So, another on cloud, guys. Sir, thank you ah. Salamat sa ulit eh. Yes, sir. Thank you. Salamat. Diba? This is your first on, sir, if ever? Yes. Sobrang trending na sila ako nito. Long walks, casual wear, sobrang comfortable niyan. Ay, na-try ni sir. Sir, sabi kayo ma'am.
Oo nga, parang nagbaba. Parang yung malaban.
Tsaka ano po siya, comfortable talaga. Tsaka ano, the technology is really made to help you conserve energy. It bounces you back a little bit para...
Tsaka ano din siya, pwede siya pang drive.
Hey, sir. Another day, another on cloud.
Thank you po.
Sir, salamat po ma'am. Balik kayo. You sell the experience. Customers should leave feeling that, you know, that they feel good. Because customers do not just pay for what they purchase, but they pay for the experience that you make them feel. So ayun guys, we're about to end the day and most of our sales are all on cloud. Pero meron din tayong customers na mga nag-pre-order. Kanina si Sir Jano, nag-pick up ng human-made. Tapos meron tayong customer that was looking for CP Company, Adidas. Ngayon ko lang narinig yung guys, pero we were able to source it. And then another pre-order for True Religion na pants. Yan, hindi ako masyado familiar sa brand pero na-source din natin. So meron tayo dito mga bagong brands. Meron tayong Stone Island dito. And so, kahit anong brand pa yan guys, kahit anong mapasapatos, apparel, we can source it for you. So punta na dito sa Get9.
Sir, drip check na.
Drip check, okay, sige. For today, our cap is a new era cap. This is, I think, 2,500. For the top, we're wearing Levi's polo. I think this is for 3,000 pesos. And then for the shorts, Vans to. I think 3,000 also. And then for the shoes, we have the Jordan 1 Low OG Trophy Room collaboration. This is for 24,000 pesos. For the watch, we have the Rolex Root Beer. That's it.